give you a better idea of the kind of gaming experience that you can expect, let's take a look at part of a match. From a library of 30 cards, each player draws a hand of 5 to start. The object of the game is to occupy 5 of the 9 fields on the Eye of Judgement battle map. There's an incredible amount of information detailed on the summoning cards. Races, affiliations, costs, special abilities, restrictions, it's all there.
Draw card.
Other vital information is found on your screen, including the amount of mana that you have. Mana is the energy you need to perform any action in the game. To start us off, player 1 places a Verzar foot soldier card on the map. The card's orientation determines the direction of the attack. There are 5 attributes associated with the summoning cards and the fields of the battle map. Since the foot soldiers and the chosen field are both associated with Earth, player 1 earns a field benefit worth 2 hit points. Player 2 is placing a Hellfire Spitter on one of its allied fields, fire naturally. Icons on the card show you the creature's method of attack and defense. In this case, the Hellfire Spitter can attack any adjacent field and use quickness to counterattack. These are Tritonin Ice Guards, affiliated with water. They'll automatically attack an adjacent enemy.
Attack.
But the Hellfire Spitter's quickness allows them to counterattack first. As you can see, the battle costs each side a single hit point. A turn in the Eye of Judgement consists of 5 different phases, some of which are optional. On this turn, player 2 is opting to attack the Tritonin Ice Guards before summoning a new creature. The Ice Guards have the ability to counterattack, and again, the battle costs each side a single point. Now player 2 can summon an Illusia Priestess on a non-affiliated field. While the Priestess doesn't gain the affiliation bonus, or is adjacent to an opponent, she has the ability to perform magic attacks, attacking any field on the map. A magic attack cannot be dodged or counterattacked, and it's enough to defeat the weakened Ice Guards. There are over 100 different cards available for the Eye of Judgement, not all of which are attacking creatures, and not all of which are as commonly found as the ones we've seen so far. This Fortress card, for instance, is rated as uncommon. There are also cards that are rated rare and ultra rare. Part of the challenge of the Eye of Judgement is to build a strong deck that is suited to your style of play. The Seyhallen Fortress adds 2 protection points to any adjacent allies. There are also cards for rituals and spells that can affect you, your opponent, or the battle map itself. This ritual, the Parmetic Holy Feast, allows the player to sacrifice a creature from their deck in order to gain 2 mana. Mana can also be stolen, spent, or saved. It's the lifeblood of the game. Player 2 is placing Samurai Nagarasu on a non-affiliated field in order to attack the adjacent foot soldiers. However, the foot soldiers still have the 2 protection points, and the attack fails to do damage. Clearly, there are many different strategic elements to this game, and the players have to be aware of them at all times. As you can tell, the Eye of Judgement is a game of incredible depth and strategic complexity, and you'll actually see the battles played out in front of you. Check it out. You'll be amazed. The Eye of Judgement. The Eye brings the battle to life.